Hey, Zach Glass here. I'm going to go over the copyright.gov features and how to use them here. I'm going to go back to the main copyright.gov here. Starting off, first question is, let's go back here. What is the cost for online registration for a single application? Easy to find. Go on the main page, down to fees here, learn more, registration, and it will go over all the fees you could possibly need to see, whatever you could think of on how to do or what to do on this site and what it would cost you. Single author, same claimant, one work not for hire is $45 there. Okay, so second thing to look up here, locate and show the guidelines for using the single application. Easy enough here. You just go to register. Let's go home here. Registration, online registration help, and that'll give you all the video tutorials you would need to go through this. If you want to look at the specific single application, you got a nice little 9-minute video here. I'll mute it for our eardrum's sake. It goes through every possible little step you could go through, every hiccup you could run into. I watched it, so I know how to do all this now. It's easy enough, pretty much, common sense type stuff. Just input this, and it guides you through it. And if you're looking for something more than just a video, there's all the frequently asked questions. Do I need the email address, blah, blah, blah. Uploading electronic files, submitting hard works, paying fees, troubleshooting things. It's got everything you need right here, but I like that video is perfect. I found that to go through the guidelines for using the single application. What are the eligibility requirements for single application? Easy to find here. You just go up to law and policy circulars. It's in circular 11 down here using the single application. Click that. PDF, zoom in a bit so you can see what we're looking at here, and you get to this spot right here, single application eligibility requirements, and we'll go through those real quick. The claim must be submitted online using the office's electronic registration system using the application labeled one work by one author. Only one work can be registered, for example, no collections of individual works. The work must have been created by a single author, for example, no joint works, works made for hire, or derivative works based on another author's work. All the material contained in the work and in the deposit must be by the same individual. The author and the owner or claimant must be the same individual. The application must be submitted by the author/claimant or an authorized third party who lists him or herself as the correspondent. It goes through other things here, what the one work requirements are, what the one author requirements are. It also shows, like, if you figure out that you're not falling into this single application category, it kind of shows you where you need to go as opposed to using this category. Very helpful information here. Goes through, pretty extensively what counts and what doesn't count down here at the bottom. Gives you more people to call or contact if you have any other questions. Very, very helpful. Circular 11 for all the eligibility requirements you could possibly need to see to do a single application. Locate and show the location for the Electronic Copyright Office. Easy enough. Go to register your work here off the main page. You can get there off the main page or this page, and it'll take you to this nice little link right here. Log into the Electronic Copyright Office. Okie. And assuming you already have a user ID and password set up, you would log in there. Easy enough. All right. Next question is, what's poor man's copyright? Easy to find. Go to help here. Frequently asked questions. Copyright in general. What is poor man's copyright? I have heard about it. What is it? The practice of sending a copy of your own work to yourself is sometimes called a poor man's copyright. There is no provision in the copyright law regarding any such type of protection, and it is not a substitute for registration. So that answers our question. Is this an advisable way to register material? I would say that is a no. And last but not least, how is the licensing division organized? Go to licensing, overview. It's organized in 3 sections here: cable, music, and satellite are the 3 types of licenses and the divisions that make up the licensing division. That ought to do it for us in copyright.gov for the day. Thank you. I will see you in class. Bye-bye.